everybody? Welcome to Horseshoe Lake. Well, we don't have the slightest clue what we're going to catch today. But hopefully we'll catch something. Look at there. Crappie. We'll take it. It is after the spawn. That crappie is still in shallow water. We'll take it. Oh, there we go. That's a big post-spawn crappie right there. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, there's a pig. That is a slab. There's another one. That one surprised me. And post slump on slabs. How can you complain? Little yellow striper. They're pretty good eating too. We'll take him too. Little yellow striper. Oh, there's something big. There's something big and strong. Never know what we're gonna catch out of here. It is big and it is strong. What is it? That is a giant perch. I have hooked a giant perch. I mean that big one. Oh, settle down, fella. Come in. Oh, come back here. Oh. Oh. That's the biggest perch I've caught in a while. Tell you what, that right there give you a fit on an 11-foot fly rod. That's a big one. Yeah. There he is. I seen him move back in there. It took a minute for him to hit. I threw it in there to him twice. But these lake full spawn crappie, they can be slow about biting. You just gotta slow down, take your time, especially if you catch one. Really slow down and fish that whole area, whether it be brush like this is or a tree, because they can be pretty slow about biting. You might have to run it in front of them a couple times to get them mad enough to hit. More than likely, these fish are just protecting nests or fry. The eggs ain't hatched yet. Something. They're protecting something where they spawned. They just. That just may have been one just bumping it, moving it away from them. I'm gonna fish this whole thing, this whole area here real slow since I caught one here. It was a male, so very well may be a big female lurking in there. There's another one. See, I've ran my jig through that spot 2 or 3 times before that fish hit. There you go. Oh. Oh, he got me good. Got me in the bushes. Alright. I don't know if I can get him to hit again, but we're gonna try. There he is. He hit again. Oh, male. Little goggle eye. Come here, big old crappie. Oh, I love to see them. Love to see them slabs. My bucket is getting full. I should have brought the cooler. There's another one. Slabs. Another big one. Another big one. I love that. Big slab, big slab, big slab. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. You're hectic in the boat by yourself. But we're catching giants. There's another good one. And you gotta love that. I know it's warming up. Most people have probably done crappie fishing. Ain't nothing like seeing them big slabs come up out of the water. Good one, good one. Get in here. Oh, I love them slabs. Give me them slabs. I'm running out of room in my bucket. Oh, dang, I had nothing. I just set my jig in the water. Big one. Over the boat. Oh. I mean, we are out here slinging slabs, boy.
Wait a minute.
Yep.
Okay.
There it is, May 1st. Post-spawn crappie, they're still after it. There's 25. We caught some big ones. So, I might get back after them again this evening, but hope you enjoy. Hope it helps somebody. Get out there and catch you some post-spawn crappie because it's a good time to catch some big ones.